Our hearts beat to the city.
Hello everyone, it is Glenda with Shaking Hands Are with Fralins and Friends. And I have to thank Joe for going through and organizing those boxes and totes and all of that and ditching a lot of stuff out on that porch. I tried. I started doing it and I ended up so sore because of a lot of bending and stuff and I lifted a box. Well, actually, I didn't have to lift it. It was down. I moved it from the shelf, but anyway, I was paying for it this morning. So, and that's weird because it was 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 nights ago. Anyway, I got some goodies. I finally decided to give in and get a small little washable palette. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work very well for me, I will go back to the foil. Anyway, and this is a dream I've had, and just having found them at Walmart, I am going to do some art tonight. But first, I'm showing off. First, I'm going to show off okay, each brush is in its own plastic. And each brush also has a protective plastic over the brush itself. See how fine that is? If I can hold it still long enough. Look how fine that tip is. And it's not real, it's stiff, which is good. Maybe some of them aren't so stiff, but I'm glad because I need to be able to make fine lines. Look at that. There's a bunch. They're different sizes. But, I was so happy. I'm going to show you what I want to work on tonight. It's kind of something I'm going to redo. Okay. The birds. I'm not happy with how they look in there. And, well, I'm not really with the python either. But, so I want to paint these out just with some green. And then I'm going to paint them back in with some actual shape. Yeah, this is a big canvas. Alright, I'm just going to start going over this and just kind of greening these out. May not be the best color. I got them all. Okay, I'm going to have to let this dry before I start painting them back in. Okay, I want to make those birds look much less cartoonish. More like the real thing. And that is why I'm so happy for these fine tips. I'm going to try to start with... Okay, I'll go ahead and put the blues up here. Yeah. Well, I might just put the pink ones and the yellow ones up high because they'll have more contrast with that green. So let's give yellow a try. Alright. I had it. There it is. Okay, I am going to try up here at the very top. Oh, I didn't take the plastic off. Okay. It might work better. I'm going to try up here at the real top, there, very top. I'm gonna try to make it small so that it looks like it's more distant. I don't know why yellow has to be so. It gives it, for some reason, gives into the brush, the shape of the brush, much more than a lot of the others do. Okay. Still feel like I'm making it a little big, but this way. Okay. I'll put another one over here. I had them, before I had them all kind of paired, yellow with yellow, and a little too contrived maybe. I don't know. Make them a little more spread out, I guess. red. Oh dear. I'll let you see what they look like to this point. I hope you can see them, and I hope they look a little more realistic. The green ones, they don't show up so great, but might try putting just a light yellow-green halo around them of some kind. I don't know. I want it to look natural, but some kind of a plant or weed. Oh, well, they need to be completely dry before I put those eyes on. So I will be back to do the eyes. They've all got this fold right above the eye. It kind of seems to hood over the eye a little bit. Still not happy with that yellow, but I don't know what to do with it because it seems like every coat I put on. That one I haven't opened yet. Well, I hope they're not quite as cartoony. That's what I was trying to fix. Because I really didn't want them to look very cartoony. I mean, they're cute little birds. That's it. That's what I was going to do tonight, was fix this painting. That's why I've been waiting for these fine. I was so happy when I found them. I thought, Eureka! It's like finding gold. Well, when I show it for the first time and see it at the end, I'll see if I made anything better or not. It's just kind of hard to tell. But I do hope so. I hope they look more real than cartoon. So, I love you all. I will see you tomorrow. Oh, I'm running out of battery. Take care of yourselves. And good night. God bless.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the candle